So we didn't film an intro for this video because, you know, we're professional YouTubers.
Yeah. Okay, basically we didn't film an intro for this video, but this is a shot of my before hair. My hair is already cut. Anyway, as you can tell, it's very choppy in the front, and it's thick and choppy and uneven and
heavy and
it was
lifeless.
hurting my scalp, so I decided to cut my hair in a wolf cut, and this is the footage we filmed. Enjoy.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, did I?
Just through there.
That was
from... Oh, whoa, that's fast.
Dang, you can't cover it, bro.
I always stick my green tongue at it.
Let me out.
My face is covering you guys. Just wanted to look at me. My name's it's cool and it's light.
So right now I'm putting the edge wax in her curly hair, and then I'm twisting it away from her face so that the wax will keep the hair in the twist for me to cut it. Yay. I did smaller sections in the front, but now that I'm going in the back, I'm taking bigger sections. But you're the perfect size. You do look weird, different. I mean, not weird. I mean, just... See, if that happened, that's technically, I should not reuse this comb.
Abby, Nancy's video is gonna get a really cute picture of your butt the whole time.
Oh yeah, we love that.
There is the twists all the way around, trying not to...
Hold up, you gotta get the... Okay, is that gonna work?
Wait, it looks so pretty.
Okay. And we're doing this. Wait. That's how he did it.
Really?
That's so satisfying.
It looks like it hurts.
It looks good.
Yeah, my hair
So it
hurts.
like, since I did it that way, now it's stopping like here. Do you want it shorter? You see where it stops?
I'm trusting you.
Because he starts it shorter. This
We
is
can do
like
a little
the...
shorter, we can do it.
Yeah? Okay.
That was fast.
Okay, now it's like stopping all at your chin.
Okay.
Do you want it shorter than that or no?
What do you think?
We can do whatever you want.
Shorter.
Shorter? Okay.
Callie, are you okay?
Yeah, it's so satisfying.
Remember your satisfaction
There we go.
box?
Let's start it there. Oh, you're gonna get hair all over you, by the way.
That's okay.
You want another towel?
No, it's
Oh
okay.
yeah, here, put the towel.
Okay.
Like this, to try to cover you. Okay, we're stopping there, and then...
Modest.
He takes it like an inch.
It's already got... Talking about points of reference, we're going to come down to that jaw.
Okay, so now I'm
I
gonna do
just
the
stretched
jaw
my shirt out a lot.
a little bit below the jaw.
On my desk.
You have a broom, right, Callie?
No, I don't.
Just making sure. Okay, keep looking at me. Keep looking.
That won't be hard.
Oh. Calm down.
Close your eyes.
Yeah, Abby's too
Shut your
much.
mouth. Dream a dream, get us out. Dream, 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 dream.
Your skin's so perfect.
No, it's not. Your
Yeah,
skin
I
is so
had
perfect.
a video to see.
I struggle with pores.
Don't you see all of my pores?
No.
Right here.
No.
Yes. You're just in denial.
DNA.
Period.
What is it called?
You can see that travelling down there now.
Oh my.
I reckon if we just... So all I'm doing is using the butt of the scissor.
Oh my.
Like that.
Is it thick?
Yeah. Can you see this? How thick it is? I can like, my scissors are like stuck.
Oh my gosh. I just felt the weight like fall.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see what those layers look like.
I feel like we could definitely do it more, Nancy.
Yeah.
In the video, so basically my friend Abby, who's gonna be a cosmetologist one day, cut it for me, and she just followed the YouTube video I showed. So if you guys want to watch the exact tutorial we followed, I'll link it down below. The reason I chose to do this like wolf cut is because of the layers it gives, and it like thinned it out at the bottom, but you still have the volume like at the top. Because my hair was way too thick in the beginning. And the front pieces are nice to like pull out in a ponytail. One last thing is, a year ago I actually tried the unicorn cut. And trust me, this cut is way better than the unicorn cut because I had lots of uneven pieces and it's like kind of choppy. But this gives you like, I don't know, pretty good just layers in the back. Just trust me, okay? You won't regret it. Thank you guys so much for watching.